Hello everyone, my name is Suci Dinia Rahmah from Group 17, Class C, student of Management and Logistic Administration, Vocational School di Ponegoro University.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Ainaya Al-Fatihah from Group 17, Class C, student of Management and Logistic Administration, Vocational School di Ponegoro University.
We will explain the result of our group interview about the inventory or warehouses, which is the task of English conversation. My friend Jasmine will explain the result of our group interview.
Thank you, Suci. Now I will explain the results of our group interview. Our group interviewer is my friend Suci Dinia with Mas Raffi as a resource. This interview took the topic of knowing about the warehouse in Indomaret. The purpose of conducting this interview is fulfilling the task of English conversation, learn how to be an interviewer, and obtaining information from the topics discussed. Indomaret also has problems regarding the supply of raw materials. Mas Raffi explained, usually from the procurement of goods from distributor, for example, the high demand for raw materials for goods is small, which cause a lack fulfillment of goods to consumer. Because the inventory of goods is lacking from the distributor, plus now it's a pandemic. Mas Raffi also explained how to meet supplies during this pandemic in the form of limiting sales per product, so that people don't shop buy. Indomaret warehouse inventory, where Mas Raffi works, has limited warehouse space. So the explanation is on how to manage warehouse inventory by grouping per item and by sticking goods and prioritizing products with large stock first, while products with a small stock are brought to the front of the store to on display elsewhere. There is also an efficient way to manage inventory in order to save time and cost, namely by utilizing what is available in the warehouse. For example, an empty warehouse making shelves to reduce costs. How does the Indomaret warehouse record entry and exit procedure for raw materials? By way of estimation in the system, the entry and exit of the goods have been recorded. Then all you have to do is do stock take, audit or calculate the stock. For example, if there are consignment goods, there is a paperwork. What are the items? How many quantities are there? Which will be checked by the warehouse for goods that come out later. Seen from the transaction history. To minimize the loss of goods, cross-check first whether or not it is in accordance with the travel document. If it is appropriate, the goods can be directly sold. The goods sent are also in accordance with the goods to be sold to avoid overstocking of goods. The warehouse also record the estimate according to the dues so that it doesn't get wrong. If it is wrong, it will be minus the stock, which causes losses for the warehouse. Then, what if the goods are damaged or lost? If there is damaged raw material, there is usually a credit note, item return or credit note. Here is an agreement between the warehouse and the supplier, whether is it paid in half or paid only the sold or can also be returned, i.e. the goods are returned and exchanged for new ones. For goods that are out of stock, a substitution will be made.
Okay, thank you Jasmine for explaining to our group interview. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to Miss Tasya for listening our video. I'm Suci Dinia Rahmah.
I am Jasmine Ainaya Al-Fatihah. Thank
you.